going on, you guys? I am back with yet another video today. Last week I went to Supreme Auto Works for a car meet and it was crazy. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link it up right here. Make sure you check that out. After going to that meet, I realized my car was not loud at all, or like what it could be. So I'm gonna go to my friend Julian today, have him check out the Z. I know a few weeks ago when I went to try to get the Z loud again, they said my cats were seized onto my headers, but I just want to get another person's look, see what he thinks, what we can do. He's the guy that originally did my exhaust in the first place. This guy, all he focuses on are exhausts, and he does phenomenal work, like crazy stuff. Last time I talked to him, he was putting a turbo into a muffler. Like, this guy is an exhaust god. I'm gonna go over there now. I'm meeting up. It's about 8:20. I'm running late as per usual, but anyways, I'm gonna go to a shop. I have the test pipes in the car already. Hopefully the Z gets loud. I don't know. We'll see how today goes. I will see you when I am there. I'm not gonna complain about not having room in this car ever, but I'm gonna complain. Like, this is all I have. I can't put it anywhere else because right here I have my car parts, and like, the car is literally full. I still wouldn't want anything other than this car though. I fucking love this car. Alright, so I'm running really late. It's 8:48. I was supposed to be at his shop at 8:30. Good thing is though, it's like 2 minutes from here. I got coffee for him. Gotta start the day right, eat breakfast, and then get this Z on the lift, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I can get my test pipes installed. So I'll see you guys when I'm at his shop. Initial thoughts.
Initial thoughts? Looks like every other Nissan that comes in the shop.
It's not that bad?
Nah, it's not that bad. We'll get that shit right out. I know, it's not really a problem.
Alright, so Julian's working on the exhaust right now. He was able to get 2 of the bolts off. The rest I think he's going to go through the engine bay. But, I mean, Supreme was right. It's just like, this guy, he had to like heat it up, make sure it didn't break off. It was like a hassle. So I can understand why they were scared to do it or didn't want to do it. I don't know. But like I said, this guy, he knows his shit. This is who you want to get your exhaust done by. While Julian figures that out, I'm gonna show you guys something. What he's working on, this is like his level of genius. What he's working on right now is a turbo into a stock 350Z muffler. Like, I cannot be making this stuff up. Look at this. So this is just off of like a stock 350Z muffler. You can see it's a 350Z. So what he's gonna do is, he took the top off just so he can put the turbo back here, and he's gonna wire the turbo all the way to the engine, and like, I don't know how the hell he's gonna do it, but this is gonna be going on a 350Z. Alright, sir, you gotta talk about your car. What do you got? What do you got in here?
It's a stock 4.6 with a supercharger. You know, bigger injectors, bigger fuel pump, long tube headers, 410 gears, tubular K member, Suspension's tied in the back. Other than that, it's stock.
How much stock? So we're like working on the second side now. If you guys do want to do something like this, just know that your check engine light is going to be on. That's what Julian was telling me. You won't need a tune, but if you do get a tune, then you'll throw away the light. I mean, for what you're getting, that's a small price. So what if your dashboard looks like a Christmas tree? It is what it is. Yes, sir. Yo.
Yeah, man.
This man. Julian,
Yep.
Thank you for another good job, bro.
Anytime.
Always hooking it up.
Anytime.
They said it could not be done. They said it couldn't be done, Ed. Now he's gassed up. Alright, ready, Billy?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You heard that pop?
That's loud, yeah. That sounds clean too. It's real clean. It sounds
Yes,
good.
do you approve?
Yes, I approve.
Damn, bro. What did you do? Test pipes, baby. Test pipes? Uh-huh. Guys, the job is done. It is... The Z is so loud. I had to like stand back real quick because it was just that loud. I'll have to beat on it a little bit more and then get it all warmed up, and then we'll see if we can spit flames or not. But Julian, yo bro, thank you so much. You guys do the best job when it comes to exhaust. I think I'm gonna end the video here today, guys. Take my tip, comment, quote, whatever. Be patient and trust the process. I'll see you guys next week.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake, 'cause I don't fucking care.